Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix can't delete voice memos on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me show you here when you try to delete the recording from here. Now I'm going to delete this one. As you can see, now I'm going to delete this one, and here you can see guys, here is all recording and here is recently deleted option. So you have to delete from here. You can delete one by one from here. If you want to delete at once, then you have to tap on edit and then you have to select all, and then you have to tap on delete here, delete forever from here. And as you can see guys, it's deleted from here. And when you check on your iPhone storage, it's showing there that your voice memories caused the your iPhone storage. And if you delete all your recordings from here, and when you open your iPhone storage, so it costs you iPhone storage. So how can you fix this? Just simply go back and then you have to open settings first, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and you have to tap on voice movies from here. Here it is guys. So you have to tap on clear deleted. So you have to tap on immediately and then go back from here, and then you have to tap on your Apple ID, and then you have to tap on iCloud from here, and from here you have to turn the toggle off for voice memories from here, and then go back and check that your power is fixed or not. And if your power select is there, then what you need to do is just simply hold this one, and then you have to tap on delete app, and then you have to reinstall it. And when you open iPhone storage, so it's nothing in your iPhone storage. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.